Would you get down? We're going to be late for Don Ho's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at Dong Ho's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese. Happy birthday, Dong Ho.
Happy birthday, Don Ho.
Happy birthday, Don Ho.
Happy birthday, my friend Dong Ho.
Happy birthday, Dong Ho.
Breaking news. It's Dong Ho's birthday today. And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, Dong Ho.
Happy birthday, Don Ho.
Happy birthday, Duckle. Happy birthday, Dong Ho.
Happy birthday, Dong Ho.
Happy birthday, Dong Ho.
Happy birthday, Dong Ho.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get Don Ho's party started.